Hey, what's up guys? It's Delwin with Diverse Ford Researches, Built to Drive Media. Before we get started with this video, do me a huge favor. Make sure to turn on the post notifications and subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss out on any of the do-it-yourself videos that we have coming up. I'll wait while you guys do it. Cool, thanks for doing that for me. It helps out with the analytics of the video. Also, we have a giveaway coming up to where we're giving out 5 Amazon gift cards to 5 lucky winners. We're also giving out a decal package with that. I'll be shipping that anywhere free of charge around the world. So make sure to follow the Instagram Built to Drive page so you can stay updated on that. Now let's get back to the video. The other day we went to Yoda One Performance Racing out in Riverbank. I didn't know Nick was gonna give us a tour of the facility. I'm so glad he did because there's so much to see at this facility. So many crankshafts, pistons, engines being rebuilt. It's just crazy over there. They even have their own in-house crate engines that they produce and ship all over the world. So if you guys are into Toyotas, that's definitely a place to be at. I was super excited that I got to see everything there. Again, I was taken by surprise, so I wasn't able to properly document or vlog that, but I'm just so glad we got to see the facility. We're definitely gonna go back to finish up the rest of the build with him and check in and drop off parts here and there. I don't want to bug him all the time, so I'm gonna give him his space, but at the same time I will keep you guys updated. Without further ado, let's get to this vlog and get things going. Yo, what up guys, it's Delwin with Diverse Sport. Yo, what up guys, this is Delwin with Diverse Sport Researches, Built to Drive Media. I'm super excited. Today I am going to get the sleeve block, place it in a Hummer, the sleeve cradle, take some parts, and we're gonna meet Nick at Yoda One Racing. I've been waiting for this day forever, like legit. I'm super excited to get everything checked out by Nick and see where we go from here. So he is going to bore, deck, and hone the block to fit the new pistons, and from there we're gonna start the build. I'm excited. So as you can see, this box says Darton sleeves on it. That came from Darton right there. That's the bottom cradle. This is my crankshaft. We're gonna get that checked out. He's gonna mic that today, and also my cams. So I'm gonna let him check the cams out, make sure there's no scuffs, scratches, or anything like that. I'm gonna take my head as well. And the last thing that I am taking to him will be the sleeve block from Darton, which is this puppy right here. Looking good, guys. I'm excited. So let's get all this loaded up in the Hummer. As you can see, we made it to Yoda One Racing here in Riverbank, California. We're gonna meet up with Nick. So let's go check in.
May I say who you're looking for?
Delwin. You guys got a lot of stuff in here. I didn't even know you guys were here. You got like everything in here. That's dope. As you can see, they're carrying the good stuff. Dang. Yeah, so this is a pretty nice shop. So this is their spec motor right here, or engine. That custom oil cap, that was dope. So these are your guys' spec engines, right? That you guys build in-house?
They are remanufactured blocks. But then, yeah. So
you guys spec them out?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I'm excited to have my engine built here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm inside Yoda One right now, waiting on Nick. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here. So if you guys need any odd end parts, quality parts here, come check them out. Riverbank, California. How you doing?
Good.
Nick?
Maybe.
Maybe? Delwin. Nice to meet you. That's the man right there I've been talking to. Got everything outside of the Hummer. That shit looks so nice. So these are your guys' spec motors then?
This is just a stock motor.
Stock motor?
Yep.
Is there
That's a 1FC.
Oh, you guys got like fucking everything, dude. I'm looking at all your like details and stuff, and it's so nice.
Yeah,
That's nice, man.
we take these things and mill the baffle out and powder coat them.
Hell yeah.
Pretty legit.
That's exciting.
Dan's here and puts in motors all day long, every day.
Love it.
Motor man, how you doing?
How you doing, bud? Not too bad.
This bitch is clean. Dude, I'm so excited.
4 going in here.
That's 3.4?
Yeah.
Yeah, as I get a chance to really strip down the old, I get a chance to really kind of figure out what it needs, what it's going to take to make it a great install, and not have any hiccups along the way, trying to just get it broken in and figured out. We
Shit.
do a lot of the heater hoses, those are problems. I double check everything.
That's awesome, man, because you guys damn near work on just a lot of Toyotas.
Pretty
So on that note, I know since my hose, I want to get all my, I might let you guys fucking put the motor in, dude, to be honest. My engine bay is all candy painted and everything, but I pulled all my, like, you know, to candy paint the engine bay, you gotta
Right.
pull shit apart. So I
Yeah.
literally, every hose is off and all that type of shit.
Yeah.
So, and if you guys could have the PDFs to look up what hose it
Yeah,
is,
exactly.
the location, and I
Yep.
ain't gotta deal with that shit.
So
I
we're
might
right
honestly.
in Toyota system.
Yeah.
We used to like, oh, here we could get this hose from Gates or whatever.
Yeah.
It's kind of the same, and they're not the same.
Nah,
They're
I want
junk.
to tell you, yeah.
And it's too much work.
Yeah, exactly.
And that stuff lasted 20 years.
Yeah, I
You
want my
something
shit to
last another
slide
20
in,
years.
bro, and just
Yeah.
drive my damn
So
car.
that's it. So you pull up the diagram on Microcat,
Yeah.
put in the VIN, that hose, that hose, that hose, that hose.
Yeah.
They cost a lot, but they're gonna last 20 years and they're gonna work.
That's what I was telling my nurse that I work with too, and she's just like fucking. She has a Toyota, and she's like, I'm thinking about getting my daughter a Honda. I said no. She's like, do I just stick to Toyota? I said yeah. Stick to, cause Hondas and shit. Once you start fucking with certain things, it'll say clean. You know, maintenance.
Right.
You clean it, it's brittle, it breaks, it cracks, shit's destroyed. Usually with Toyotas, you clean the shit and it works again.
Right,
Yeah, it's
right.
maintenance. It's
Yeah.
not buy a new part and install,
Right,
which
right.
is.
But if
I
you
love
want the
Toyota.
new part, you can.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
That bitch is bad right there. That motherfucker's nice. Yeah, this thing is nice right here. This is clean. Hell yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Diesel.
This should be fun on some trails.
Yeah.
Not like pushing it all retarded crazy. Just take it out on some trails and just have some fun with it. It looks nice, dude. It's diesel?
Yeah.
What engine?
3B.
That shit is clean, dude. This little fun trail rig right here.
Yeah. Front knuckle.
Disc brakes too? What?
Yeah.
Damn. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
We did the front knuckle.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, that is fucking sick. Damn. Yeah.
Kind of an honor too, because this is the owner and Modesto Toyota's car.
Oh, that's nice, dude. It's always good when you get a chance to work on like owners' cars and stuff. I said no rush. I put my project on a not back burner, but you know, time. Cause that, you know, you don't want to rush shit. Yeah. Damn, this is nice. Machine room. Clean. It's taking me back to school. Damn, what are these out of? These things are fucking huge.
These are Lancers. They're 6 cylinders.
God damn.
1FC, 3F.
That shit is huge right there, man. I was wondering, you think I should knife edge or shave some weight off my crank? Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. Thanks for the tour, man. I appreciate it. Hell yeah. That's nice. I cannot wait to have my shit sitting up on here, man.
Waffles never come out, right?
Yeah.
Ours do.
Get up in there. Everything's all fucking fresh.
Yeah, we have
man.
fixtures that we locate these in. We come through with the CNC mill, cut all the rivets out, remove the baffles, and then go back and spot drill and tap.
Hell yeah.
And then sandblast them, powder coat them, And then put the baffles back in, new hardware, a little bit of Loctite.
Yeah, that looks good. That's same with my valve cover. The baffles don't come out, but I'm like, I want them out.
If you want them out, we can get them out.
Yeah, I want them out because I want to powder coat it, and I want to make sure it's all 100% clean inside and out, you know?
Well, so we really want to powder coat them. We need to get all that stuff out of the baffle areas. You just can't powder coat them without sandblasting them, and with all that crap in the baffle, as soon as you sandblast them,
it's
all
in there.
the glass gets stuck in there. And
Exactly.
So it all kind of goes together.
Exactly, and that's exactly why I want to get mine taken out. That way I can powder coat them and get them taken care of, hella clean, and be able to install them and not have to worry about them.
We could probably do a one-off for your valve cover.
Hell yeah.
I don't know if it's worth writing code for it, but I mean, we can always just go through and just run the mill by hand and just do it that way.
Okay, hell
Takes a
yeah.
little longer, but it's quicker than writing the code for one cover.
I'm excited, dude. The only thing you're missing is a dyno.
I know, and I have an engine dyno at our other shop, but I don't use it. Bunch of storage. We even keep our storage container.
God damn, man. This dude is loaded. So, if you guys got anything Toyota, bring it here. I'm telling you right now, it is not playing. I'm glad I'm here today, guys. Seriously. Not lying. This is wild. This is wild. So what's up with these right here? Are you guys just remanning them or kind of specking them out too, or?
Yeah, these are anywhere from stock to stage 5s on the, or there's a stage 5 right behind you right here. This one's a little bit out of the norm. I mean, customer sent some parts. He was a little, I don't know why, but he wanted me to stab his distributor and do his alternator and put his manifold on, so I just, whatever.
Because I've seen these on your website and stuff. I'm like, damn, this mug's got some straight down crate motors.
Yeah.
Literally, crate motors ready to go.
Yep.
Which is
And
tight,
we do,
man.
like we try to keep stuff like in stock.
Yeah.
It's hard though.
Yeah.
It's hard because I end up, well, lately we went from doing just straight build lists. Whatever people order,
Yeah.
that's what we build. Lately we're trying to get ahead of everything. And
Yeah.
if we have an order for 1, let's try to build 2, try to build 3.
Yeah. That way you got everything laid out and just try to run it.
And we do it, but
And it
they're
goes
still
out?
sold by the time I get them built.
That's what I was like, especially with your attention to detail, like you can't produce them fast enough and have that attention to detail. Like it's hard, you know, to create a great product fast. It's almost like Tesla, to where people want them and they're fucking back ordered, and there's just no way that they can produce that much and sacrifice the quality, in which we would never want to do.
Exactly,
You
and
know?
that's what we won't do. We're trying to raise our, to lower the production time by just being more efficient.
Exactly.
Not doing anything different. Just trying to do things more efficient.
Exactly, and that's where you win at right there. So hopefully you guys like that short, brief tour of Yoda One Performance in Riverbank, California. If you guys have any Toyota engine questions, they're very knowledgeable. Make sure to follow, like, comment, and subscribe if you're gonna see more do-it-yourself project videos produced on here and more how-to projects, also car fix projects. And if you have any idea of what you want me to vlog about next, drop the comment below. I'm always participating in the comments and talking back to you guys. Do me a favor right now and hit the subscribe button on the screen. Also, make sure to turn on the post notifications, and we are doing a giveaway right now, which will be 5 Amazon gift cards. So we're not picking 1 winner, we're picking 5 winners for this gift card giveaway. All you have to do is follow HA Only page and Built to Drive media page and subscribe to the channel. That's pretty much it. There's more details on Instagram about it. I'll place the Instagram link in the description below for the rules of entry. This is Delwin with Diverse Ford Researches, Built to Drive Media, and I'm signing out. Peace.